In this video, I'll guide you through the camera is not working in Windows 11 PC and laptop. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. Let's go with the first method. First, click on your Windows key and search for settings. Once you come to the settings page, then you need to click on privacy and security from the left sidebar. Now you need to scroll down and click on camera. Now you need to make sure your camera access is enabled. Then you also need to enable Let's App access your camera and choose which app can access your camera. If any of your apps camera access is disabled, then you need to enable it. Hope these changes will fix all of your problem. But if it's not, then close this window and again click on your Windows key and search for Device Manager. Once you come to the Device Manager page, then you need to click on this arrow icon beside camera and choose your camera and right click on it. Now click on Uninstall Device and click on Uninstall. Now you can restart your computer. Once the restart process is complete, then again come to the Device Manager page and click on Access. Now click on Scan for hardware changes. After restart your computer, when you scan for hardware changes, then your camera will install again. Hope this will fix camera is not working issue. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily fix camera is not working in Windows 11 PC and laptop.